Today is a really cool day. We are off to the NEC, to the Motorhome and Caravan exhibition. It is going to be awesome. Loads to see, loads to show you guys. So come along with me. See you there.
That's not my solution, clearly. That seems to be what people are suggesting.
I will lead the party. I mean, if she does any more...
That's nice, that little caravan there.
Yeah.
Base Camp 3. That's cool.
What do you want to look at?
Ford Swift Voyager. It's 67,995 for this model.
That's weird. Well, have you got one here? Oh, yeah. The show code on there, you get your friend the show code.
Robust, isn't it? Pretty good.
To show post this place here.
That's a good idea. Done it?
Yeah. Just how possible,
Yeah. It's a very small boot though.
Get your boots in.
Yeah.
This is in a sport.
The only thing with that one though, it isn't much boot space. You could put kind of your boots in it, but that's kind of about it. Nice interior though. CMC campers. Escape. Transporter. VW, it looks amazing. So, see if I can have a little look inside this one. Price is 54,500.
Oh yeah.
I like this because these are a lot slimmer than most of them.
The show back here in Birmingham, that's a new
Air hub hex away. It's quite cool, folding silicone design. Opus.
Things like gas bottles, water, what do you do? Gas bottles are good fire.
So these start from 21,995.
The outside world, but it needs the drawing.
Fridges look good, and then these units that they've got here look amazing. So this is a Westphalia Columbus 601D. It is 67,280. Absolutely beautiful there. Let's have a look at the interior. Mink campers, very diddy. This is like a stretch seat, it's really cool. So it looks like that, and then I think I found my favourite camping van of the entire show. It's a Heimer. Look at this. Heimer Venture S. It is just absolutely awesome.
Some of these
It's even got like a sun deck. Look at this, it's amazing. It's beautiful.
No, I'm viewing and then getting